A big hello to you. I am Osaze Ekunwe. I sell real estate here in Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. I want to say a big thank you to my viewers, all my viewers, my subscribers. I want to say thank you, and for everyone sharing my video. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. And a big thank you to you, uh, you that is watching me right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. And today's video is going to be powerful. Okay, you're going to learn a lot from this video, and especially those of us that are trying to invest in real estate. There are things you need to know before jumping into real estate. Okay, there are things you need to know. It's very important. So those things we'll be talking about today, and you're going to get value from these things. It will be of great value to you, and it will help you, when making decisions in investing in real estate. All right. So thank you so much for watching this video. So we'll be done in a few minutes. There are a few things I just want you to know. Okay. So it's going to be helpful to you. All right. It's going to be helpful to you. When going into real estate, for those of us that have not started investing. All right, real estate is one of the is the best, one of the best ways to really make money. It's one of the ways you can easily uh, get rich, make make money. And for those in real estate, you know what I'm talking about. Okay, it's one of the ways whereby you buy property, you appreciate, and you get good return on your investment, zero risk, no risk at all, if you're able to secure the property. So that is it. So that is another topic for another day. Okay, today we want to talk about property documentation, as in title documents. Okay, title documents, the kind of title documents you should have on your property. Most people are not aware of this. Okay, you when you buy a property in Edo State, for instance, you are given a community approval from the community. That is, showing that the community has they consented to the sale of such property, such land. Okay, so the community approval is a paper that shows that yes, the community is aware of such a transaction. Now, the other one is a deed of transfer, which you prepare. Is the buyer that prepares deed of transfer, not the seller. So you will prepare deed of transfer, get a lawyer to prepare it for you. Then the parties involved, the seller will sign with his witness. You, the buyer, and your witness, you also sign as well. Now, the community approval, first of all, is what the seller transfers along with the deed of transfer. Now, if you are buying from the community, if you are buying directly from the community, now you get a community approval from them. Okay, or John Were or Inogie or the elders in council, all of them in the community, they will have their signatures on such a paper. Okay, the community approval is a paper with the community name on it. Okay, the signature of the Dion Were, whoever that is the head of such community, all the council members, they will sign, or so, if not all, some of them will sign. That's the community approval. It's given to you by the community when you buy from the community. But if you are buying from someone that bought from the community, now that person is going to transfer the same approval to you. Okay, if you are buying, for example, 100 by 100 from the original owner that bought from the community, if the entire land is 100 by 100, for instance, and it is 100 by 100 that is written on such community approval, the seller will give you the original copy of the approval. Okay, but if, for instance, the seller bought maybe 2 by 2. The seller bought more than one plot and is only transferring a single plot to you, for instance. Now, the seller is going to make photocopy of that original community approval and transfer the photocopy to you, because the seller needs the original copy to sell the remaining plots of land. I don't know if you get it. What I'm trying to say is that if I am a seller and I bought from the community, maybe I bought 4 plots, and I want to sell 1 plot to you, or I want to transfer half plot to you. Now, I'm going to make a photocopy of the community approval, which was given to me by the community when I bought from them. I'll make that photocopy and give to you, because you are not buying the entire 4 plots. You are only buying maybe 1 or half or 2. So I cannot give you the original copy. I will give you a photocopy, because I still need the original to sell the remaining plots of land. I don't know if you get it now. So that is how it is, okay? Now, when such a document, such a title document is given to you, you will not get a lawyer as a buyer. You get a lawyer to prepare a deed of transfer. So as the deed of transfer is prepared, the seller will sign with his witness. You will also sign along with your witness. Then you attach the photocopy of the community approval, to the deed of transfer. Those are the first title documents you get from a land. You get from a land transaction. Okay, so the community approval and the deed of transfer. If, for example, I bought 2 plots, or I bought 4 plots from the community, and you are buying the entire 4 plots from me, I'm going to give you the original copy of that community approval. I will give you the original copy, okay, because you are buying everything. But if you are not buying everything from me, I'm going to give you a photocopy of it, okay, because I still need the original to sell the other plots of land. So I believe you've gotten it, okay, for the community approval and the deed of transfer. They are very important, okay. So that is for deed of transfer and community approval. Now, soon as this transaction is done, you only the papers given to you, they are just agreement papers, okay. They are agreement papers showing that there was a transaction between you and the seller. You have not taken physical possession of the landed property. You have not taken physical possession. You only have the deed of transfer and the community approval, just showing that there was a transaction between you and the seller. Now, to take physical possession of such landed property, the first step is to have a survey plan. The first step is to have what? A survey plan on such land. Without a survey plan, you have not commenced securing of your landed property. Okay? It can still be grabbed from you. It can still be encroached on. Okay? Because you have not taken any physical possession. So to take physical possession on that land, you proceed by having a survey plan on such landed property. Okay? What is a survey plan? A survey plan is, it's a title document as well. Survey plan is the first step of securing your land. The first step you take in securing your landed property is by having a survey plan on it. So it's a title document that shows, everything about that land, the accurate size of that land, the square meters. It will give you the correct size of your land. That's 1. 2, it will establish boundaries, because beacons will be planted on that land when you have a survey plan. 4 beacons will be planted, okay, to show the boundaries between other properties around there. So the beacons will be planted to establish boundary. 1, the correct size will be given to you when you have a survey plan. The shape of the land will be revealed to you. The coordinates will also appear on the survey plan. Now, I will show you what a survey plan looks like. This is a survey plan. You can see this is for me. You can see my name on it there. Okay, so this is a survey plan. I'll open the first page so that you see what it looks like on the inside. Now, can you see the size of the land is there? The name, my name is here. This is for me. Okay, you see the size and shape of the land. The coordinate is there. The beacon numbers are written on it. So the plan number is there, which is seal and everything. Now, this shows that you have taken first stage 1 physical possession of the land. First step, you have taken the first step now by having a survey plan. And this survey plan will be lodged to be registered in the ministry. Okay? So this is a survey plan. This is what it looks like. Now, by the time you have this survey plan, the beacons are there. It will show to everyone around that area that yes, someone is here, somebody is on that land. Soon as anyone gets around there, it sees beacons on the land, and okay, it will show that somebody is already here. Somebody is, has taken possession. Somebody has taken physical possession of this land. So please endeavor to have a survey plan on your landed property. Is the first step when securing your land. Survey plan is very important. Then we have the CFO. The CFO is an instrument given to you by the governor to secure your land. It's a title document as well. CFO is the highest title document in any state in Nigeria. CFO is the highest title document. So it secures your land for 99 years if it's a residential property. But if it's an if it's for agriculture, it's 25 years. So CFO is the big one. Okay, but without a survey plan, you cannot apply for a CFO. Without a survey plan, you can't apply for a CFO. You need this one, this survey plan, to enable you to apply for what? A CFO. CFO is signed by the governor. It secures your property. Anyone that trespasses on it, we have his or herself to blame. Okay? So that is it. But my point today is that if whether you are developing a land or you are just keeping that land, please have a survey plan on it. Even if you don't have money to process a CFO yet, even if you don't have money, maybe you don't have the money to have a CFO on your land, okay, no problem. But have a survey plan. This one is not expensive. This one is cheap. Okay, have a survey plan on your landed property. You see, those beacons will be there. Anyone that goes to that place will see beacons, and sometimes the person might even assume that you have done a CFO on it. I don't know if you are getting it. They might get there and see beacons. They might just conclude that, okay, there are beacons on this land. Probably the owner must have, done a CFO on the land. They will go away. They will not trespass it. Okay? But soon as you have money to process a CFO, go ahead and process the CFO. But if you don't have that yet, do a survey plan. Get a survey plan done on that land. Have a survey plan on that landed property. It's very important. As a matter of fact, by law, it's an offense to build without a survey plan. It's an offense to even start building, to commence building or developing that land without a survey plan on that land. Because your architect, the architect are those that designs building plan. They need the survey plan to design your building pattern. Okay? Before you can put a building on a land, you must look at the survey, see the orientation of the land, see the coordinates, see the shape, the size, everything. The architect designing that, doing your building design, he or she needs this survey plan. He or she needs it to know how the house will be positioned. Okay, where the house will be positioned, the space and everything, they are on this survey plan. So you see, it's an offense by law to develop or to build without a survey plan. So when you buy a land, the first thing you do on that land is to survey that land and have this title document. It has a way of adding value to that land. Okay, so this is the first step in securing your landed property. The first step, the community approval and the deed of transfer, those ones are just agreement papers. Okay, showing that yes, transaction took place so day with so person. A land was sold, between Mr. A and Mr. B and all of that. But taking possession of such land and securing such land has to begin with a survey plan. It begins with this survey plan. Okay, so that is it. It's very important. Okay, so let's have a survey plan. I know you have land somewhere. You have 1 by 2, you have 50 by 100, you have 100 by 100, you have 5 plots, 10 plots. Have you done a survey plan on such land? You have not done a survey plan. Okay, even if you don't have money for CFO, let's have a survey plan. It's very important. For instance, there's an issue. Maybe there's a dispute on such landed property. When you get to court, the judge will ask for your papers. Okay, maybe both of you are having a dispute over the land. This one says it's my land, the other says it's my land. The judge in the court will ask for your document. Both of you will present your papers. One thing the judge wants to know is who bought first. Who bought first and who sold. Now, it will interest you to know that the survey plan you have on your land has a date on it. Okay, it has a date. This is the plan number. The year is there. Then we also have what's it called? The date the survey plan was signed is also here. The date the survey was signed is here. The year is also there. When the judge in such a case is like, it's trying to look for clues on who bought first and who bought last. This date becomes very important. The date the survey was signed is here. Okay, so it will also help you when if there's litigation on that land. It will help. It will show the date. It will show when you bought and all of that. You understand me now? So it's very important. It carries a lot of information about your land, and it's also going to be lodged with the ministry. So please, I'm saying this, to avoid land grabbing, land theft, land encroachment, and so many things that will discourage you from investing in real estate. People are saying, I don't want to buy land in Edo, in Edo State. The land grabbing, different land crisis here and there. It's because you did not secure your land. You did not take any step to secure such land. If you secure that, if that land is secure, land grabbers will stay away from it. They will stay away. Nobody will trespass. Okay? So please endeavor to have a survey plan on your land. It's very important. Even if you don't have money for CFO. Some of you will be saying, okay, let me just raise money for both survey and CFO. No, if you cannot raise money, if you can't raise money for both of them, do the survey first. The survey is cheaper. Have a survey plan first. Okay? have a survey plan. Let those beacons be on that land. All right, have a survey plan, and whenever you're able to raise money for CFO, then you can, have a CFO on it. So that is it for today's video. I believe you have learned something. You've gotten something from all I've said today. Okay, so please don't forget. It's not just by hearing or listening or watching the video. It's taking action. Okay, the important thing is to take action. You have heard it now. Please take action. Take action. Let's have that survey plan on your land. Okay, so subsequently you can have a CFO on it when you have the money. Okay, so that is it. Osaze Ekunwe remains my name. So to have a survey plan on your land, call my numbers 070-5507-6156. My number is also on the screen there. 070-5507-6156. So call my number on WhatsApp. Call me on WhatsApp. Let's discuss on how we can have a survey plan on your landed property. That's the first stage, the first step, to secure your land. Let's have a survey plan. So call those numbers and we'll talk about it. Okay, it's affordable. You can do it. You can do it. So call my number and let's have it. Then as soon as you have money for CFO, I can also, represent you and process the CFO, for you to ensure that the land is permanently secured forever. Okay? When you have a CFO, the land is secured forever. It's secured for 99 years. Your unborn children will come and inherit that land. The land will still be there waiting for them. Nobody will tamper, with that land. So it's very good. Okay, so those numbers, call. Let's have a survey plan on your land. Let's have a survey plan on your land. Okay, it will scare land grabbers away from your land. It will scare land encroachers. Okay, so please call those numbers. Thank you so much. Once again, I'm Osaze Ekunwe. I say real estate, and I'd love to hear from you so that we can discuss on how to go about your landed, securing your landed property. All right, bye for now. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share this video with everyone, your relatives, your friends. Share this video with everybody. Thank you so much, and bye for now.